Babies make a lot of cute noises in their first few days and weeks. My name is Dr. Inessa of Beverly Hills Pediatrics, and I want you to know what these noises are about. First, your baby is going to do tons of sneezing in the first days. That sneezing is designed to propel all the amniotic fluid and boogies out of their nose, and it's totally normal. Sneezing does not mean that your baby's having allergies or sick or cold. It's just their little way to clear their nostrils. Your baby's also going to hiccup a lot. Hiccuping is old news for them. Usually, babies start to hiccup as early as 21 weeks in pregnancy. So that rhythmic movement you used to feel when the baby would hop up and down were probably hiccups. So for them, hiccuping 10 times a day once they're born is totally normal. One of my least favorite noises that babies make is all the grunting they do in the middle of the night. Babies are incredibly noisy sleepers. A lot of times they're completely asleep when they're doing it. So try not to pick up your baby and arouse them when they're doing all that boxing of their swaddle and grunting in the middle of the night.